So guys, I am back with the Offroad Outlaws video again. Like I told you on the previous video, and I asked the guy to fix my quad. As you see it, I only got the rims, I don't got any tires on it. So pretty much, just ride around. Pretty much boring. I'm just bored. I got back with my friends. Dropped this off to the shop. Get back right to you guys when I drop it off to the shop. So guys, as you see, the quad is right there. We're gonna do a little bit of riding and so to get a little bit of upgrades on it. So I'm gonna just show y'all my home instead of living in my friends. My friends out of town. Besides that, I'm gonna show you guys my house. This little place, exiting. I ran a stop sign. Oops. God better not report me. Okay, this is my house. As you can see. I would ask y'all if y'all want to go to my friend's farm. I'm just bring y'all anyway. I just got so much stuff on my head right now. I got my vehicle fixed. I'm planning on buying a new vehicle and stuff, and like I'm just on a lot of stuff right now. Like I'm finna buy a new vehicle, but I'm trying to make up my mind what I want to buy, and like a little stressing, but it's gonna be okay. A little straight. So you gotta turn and hit this bridge. And my friend's farm. I stay a little bit like a little across town from them, but besides that, that's okay. Yeah, this is his house. He put the flag, his tractor, horse pins. He took his other camper because he went camping, pretty much. But like 2 days before he left, I was out here with deer hunting in the stands up there. If you guys can see the stand. We were deer hunting. Had my rifle. Was in my other truck. So my gun rack. Okay. The man say he's done with the quad. See you guys later. So guys, I just got back. I went eat out by myself, but the guy told me that the quad is done. So we're gonna go see that. Let's go around the corner. Okay, that's the quad. I told him how I wanted it, but hop in a thing. Take it back there. Well, I don't gotta go deal with no cops and stuff like type. Yeah, so I'm gonna go where it's legal back here. With glitch. Don't mind that. Just restart. Okay, I'm in the trailer parks. Alright, so I'm gonna go back here around so I can get to my house. I'm gonna take it probably to the dunes back here though. You can see to the dunes. Bro, this thing has giant tires. This probably won't be that fast because it's a Honda 4 tracks. It's an old vehicle. Ooh, ooh, that water was deep. This video is getting a little too long, so I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Bye. See you guys.